that here. So what we can do now, I'm just going to move these chairs quickly. Let's get we'll probably push this back in a sec or over to there. But just first we'll open this. Cut the back a bit. So everything looks like it probably does need to be built. So that's one piece. Just put that over here now. Got one of these. That's a guard part. That's useful. You'll think that is for the string blade. The new harness. There we go. That needs to be all set up and fitted correctly. That looks good. I'll put that over here as well. Right, so that's the main engine in there. There is our blade. So good thing with this is that the ball release string part has already got string in it. That is the blade there, heavy duty brush cut. Manual. So I'll probably go through that in a bit. Right, we're going to have to take this part out first. Another extension part. I've got a feeling the chainsaw end of this and the other one is in that box that we took out earlier. So let's just put all this polystyrene back into here and we'll just move this box out of the way. There we go, so we have a cleaner area now to work. And we'll open this other box, which is good. Alright. So I haven't seen the toolkit yet. I don't know where that is. You did say it came with one, so it should be here somewhere. I don't know, I haven't seen one. So it might be in here. Hopefully. We'll just use this. Just gotta make sure this is the right way so I don't cut myself. Yeah, as I thought, this had the the hedge cutter part to it. And the chainsaw, and hopefully a toolkit maybe. And yes, a toolkit, right there, that's good. That's what we want to find. So there is the hedge cutter. That does need to be attached to one of those other poles that I took out. Chainsaw. That is good. We'll have to sort all these out and get them all attached. You may have to get some chainsaw oil as well. As to the looks of things, we don't have that yet. So it does require chainsaw oil. There is the chainsaw. Looking good. That's going to be nice to see in action. Fuel can, so this is telling me where you need to put it. We are on the, I think it's, it'll tell me in the book, but I think it's the 50:1 ratio. See what it says. Okay, so that, right, we need to figure out how to now, it's all on. We'll open the main engine part in a bit. I want to get all this sorted out and put on. Chain oil. Yes, we need to get some chainsaw oil. Okay. Right, so first of all, let's see. Now, oh no, no. Right, yeah, so you do have, there is instructions here on how to assemble it all, so we'll go through all of that. So we do need this first. I'm just going to move these gloves out of the way to all the safety equipment just there. We'll put the chainsaw, no, that's the hedge cutter. We'll put the chainsaw and the hedge cutter back there. There's the filler. I already have a big version of that. All my metal pieces. We'll bring that over. We will cut that off, or as it seems, it will just come off, which is nice. This definitely looks better than my Cobra that I had. And it's already raining again. Wow. That's going to be fun. Anyway, so whereabouts does it say to put it? Whereabouts is it shown in the image? So all the way just like a few centimeters away from that. So we'll put it about, I want that. Yeah, probably about there. I can already feel that's heavy duty. How the heck do I get that over it? It's gonna be like a place where it lines up and that. That handle on, that took a little bit of time, I had to just find something on it, but there, that looks better. So we're just going to move this out of the way now, and we're going to bring in this part. So we need to remove that, so we'll probably just take that nut off quickly and we'll just remove it. So we do have to put all of that stuff on. So at the moment it's set up to have the blade on, we will change it over to the string release one. So my brothers have just got home. There might be a bit of background noise, but I have asked them to be quiet. that to this shaft attachment, I think, in a bit. Where you want to get everything else set up first. Get everything else on. Like that bolt. Put into the join pin. We need to sort out the join pin on here. So that's the join pin that just comes on here somehow. Down there. That's the join pin. Just put that on. So we can put that back. Put it there now. Right, we'll just go on to the next page. And actually we can put the join pin on this one. For it. There we go. Because this is our extendable rod, which is useful. We're not attaching the blade at the moment, so we need to attach the other one there. So some more of the fun stuff, fun parts of it. This is what I like about these multi-tool strimmers. You get so many different parts in. That's the adjustment part there. That will be to adjust it. I'll go through this with you later, Ollie. So first of all, we need another rod. So it looks like any of these on attachment has a certain end that it goes on, obviously, and that just slots in there, hopefully. Maybe there's a bolt stopping it. Hopefully I have the right end, yeah. So that's got to go in that way. I think that just goes in until that bolt there can be tightened. There we go, and we'll just tighten that on. That ain't coming out. There we go. This is just fastening them together. And we just need to tighten it up. Right, I think next step is to get this adjusted for it. The harness. So somehow, if I remember, this pulls up, that releases there. Right, that goes on my right. There we go. It goes around there. Oh, this needs tightening. This needs to be tightened a lot. Right. Let's just go ahead and tighten this quickly because. Okay, guys, I've got the harness fitted, so we're just going to attach the main engine of the strimmer just to see if it will hold correctly, and then I can go back and tighten it if needed. There we go, hangs perfectly there on it, no adjustments needed, and it's taken the weight perfectly.